Yo guys, yeah. So now we are here. All right. Sorry for the interruptions last time. It was some network and things like that, guys. So yeah, when we attempted doing the first live stream, I asked a few questions saying that if you have any other pair that you want me to analyze for you, you just say it so that I can analyze it, right? So now, some of you guys actually gave me volatility 75 and AUD card by then. So now let's try to do it. All right, so let's do the analysis now, guys. Now that we are here. All right, so we'll start with the volatility 75. Since this is the first pair that was asked by you guys, right? So now let's do it. All right, so let me just send the links to them so that they can join us. I think now we are ready to go. Sorry last time, guys, usually this. I think now we are ready. All right, so this is volatility 75 chart right now. Let's start with this V75. So yeah, so this is V75 for our time frame. Let me go down to daily time frame and check out what exactly is going on, right? So you guys see that volatility 75 long term has been moving to the upside, which is an uptrending market, right? But now it has attempted making some sort of moves to the downside right now, pushing back up to the upside, right? So now the first thing that will come to my mind is that I'll have to put my horizontal line here on this daily time frame, and let me change the color to be green since this is daily time frame, right? Let me increase it a little bit. All right, so this is my resistance and acted as support, and now it's going up to the upside, right? So now I will still put another one to be around this zone, and also I'll put another one around this zone, right? You see that? So those are some of them. There's another one around this area as well, and also around this zone. So this is support and resistance level on the daily time frame, though it is much, but let's just leave it like this. We are not going to be using all of this support and resistance on the lower time frame. We'll be using 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4. Those are the ones that we'll be using right on for our time frame, right? So that's the daily time frame, guys. And let's go down to 4 hours. So this is 4 hour time frame. Like I said earlier on, that I say maybe we'll be using 1, 2, 3. So you guys can see that we'll be using 3 right now, and that's just it. So now I'll have to put another support around this zone, and I will change the color to pink because this is gonna be for 4 hour time frame. So this is support for 4 hour time frame now, and I'll still put another support around this zone for this 4 hour time frame, right? So that's just it, and this is my resistance level daily time frame, right? So now what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to check out for some sort of choppy market and things like that. Where is my rectangle? So now I will use this rectangle to mark out this zone like this, and so no need to mark all those stuffs out. So yeah, now since the market is moving to the upside, but now making a move to the downside, right? Trying to change direction. So let me put my trend line now. So this will be my trend line right on this. It is a buy, so it is what it is. Man, what exactly is going on today? Alright, the network is not stable, but it is what it is. Oh, wow. Okay. So now it's connected, and hope you guys are getting what I'm saying, right? So now I say that the market is downtrending market, and right now made another lower low, go for retracements, retested this previous support level. Now it's trying to come back down to the downside. So where am I expecting volatility 75 to go? I'm expecting, let me check out for my arrow. It's not there. Oh, where is my arrow, man? Right, this is it. So literally, let me just pin all of this so that I'll find it very easy to look out for them. So yeah, I'm expecting volatility 75 to come down to that level. From here now, expecting to continue to push down to the downside to around price 609627.1985. That's where I'm expecting volatility 75 to go before it will turn up again and continue to move back up to the upside. But right now, I'm seeing volatility 75 will come down to this level before it turns back up again, guys. And remember, I don't scalp the market. I'm not scalper. I do swing trade. So basically, this is gonna be a swing low move, and you ride it all the way to the downside if you are able to control your emotion, right? So now that's what I'm expecting on volatility 75. So let me know, guys, if you have any question regarding this V75 analysis and things like that. If you have any, just drop them in the live chat section. I'll answer them right now if you have any, right? So I don't even have time to maybe stay for some hours, 2 or 3 hours today on this YouTube live stream. So we just do 30 minutes, and cover 1 or 2 things. Then I'll go ahead with some stuffs as well. So yeah, guys, if you have any question, just let me know right in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. So that's that for volatility 75. So let's go down to our currency pairs. So last time I was trying to explain something regarding Euro USD and things like that. Video about this Euro USD, you'll be able to understand exactly what I say and where the market direction is going to go, right? So if you did not watch that video, make sure you go and watch it. Let me show you on my YouTube channel so that you go and watch it out right there. It is very, very important, right? So let me just go and show it to you guys so that you can understand which video I'm talking about, right? So now we go down to videos. This is the video, guys. This very one, Euro USD forecast, Euro USD strategy. It is the video that I uploaded today. So and I explained to you guys what exactly I'm seeing on Euro USD. Make sure you go and check it out, this very video. So let me just try to play so that you can just understand exactly what I'm talking about. All right. So this is the video, guys. Go and check it out. So let's continue. So if there's any other forex pair that you want me to analyze, just let me know right now, guys, before we continue. And if there is not any, then I'll go ahead with another thing, right? So let me know, guys, if you have any other pair that you want me to analyze for you. Let me know. I'm waiting for you guys. So I'm waiting, guys, if there is any. Or if you don't have any, we cannot call it a day. And you know, I want to have a call with my students as well, like premium students, so that we can have our weekly analysis and things like that. Okay. All right. So let's just analyze maybe Gbp Jpy. I will not call it a day since there's no question. Oh, somebody is asking of Gbp Jpy, right? All right. So this is Gbp Jpy right now, guys. I still have my analysis on Gbp Jpy, and you remember last time we took this 200 pips on Gbp Jpy, right? So how many pips is it now in profit? Come on, man. You know, apart from that, supposed to be 780 pips in profit, man, if you leave this trade still running. But we took our 200 pips and leave it like that. So it's not a crime, guys. It's not a crime. So we took this on January 21st, and literally 1 month today, and now see where this particular pair has gone to. So I still have my analysis on Gbp Jpy, guys. This is everything on it. Just support and resistance, and all of these small things that you see. Those are some stuff that are usually marked out on smaller time frames, like for a 1 hour time frame. So you see here, it's marked out on 1 hour time frame, maybe 30 minutes. You know, you see them. I usually mark them out, guys. So that's that for that. But we got it right here as an imperfect morning star formation. It was around this area before we bought this market, right? So now what I'm saying, it is at my resistance level. Come on, bro. So if you are one of my students right here, maybe VIP premium students, you understand exactly what we refer as this particular candlestick. Come on. If you are one of them, please, can you identify which type of candlestick pattern is this? I just want to know if you guys are really understanding what I'm teaching you. Which type of candlestick is this? And what does it tell us? Does it tell us that the market will continue to push up to the upside from here, or the market will continue to move back down to the downside? What does it tell us? Can you guys tell me? Just write it down in the comment section. I'll be able to see you guys. Yeah, this is Gbp Jpy, guys. This is Gbp Jpy. Okay, I think there's no answer. Okay, somebody saying evening star. Yeah, exactly. It is evening star, and it is at my key level, being resistance level, right? So now, what are you going to be expecting? Expect the market to break out of this zone. It might just continue being a range right here. Then the market will break out of this, maybe retest, boom, it will continue to move back down again. to this zone, right? So expect Gbp Jpy to break out of this structure that I just put right now, which is around price. Okay, let me check it out. Around price 147.443. 147.443. Wait for the market to break out of that and have some sort of retracement. Then the market will now push to the downside to around price 144.953. So basically means that it's gonna go down for around 250 something pips. So that's how it is, guys. 250 something pips. So this is what I'm seeing on Gbp Jpy. And of course, you know, I did not mention everything about this evening star and things like that, but this is a perfect evening star, guys. Like, very, very perfect. The market is gonna sell. Let's see what exactly is gonna happen when the market opens, right? But I assure you that the market will have to sell right from this level. But you have to just monitor your entry point and things like that around this zone now. Okay, guys, so now okay, all right, so now let's go down and check out Gbp Aud. Or if you have any question regarding this, what I said about this Gbp Jpy, you know, you can still ask before we continue. But this is what I'm seeing on Gbp Jpy. Wait for it to break out of this structure first, and maybe possible retest. Okay, let me just show you something. You see this zone right here? That's where the market will come down before it's coming for retracement. Yeah, so this is what exactly the market is going to do. Come down here, retest again, and before it will come down again to this point for the final move. And if you see break out again, this will be the next target and things like that. There's another zone right here anyway. There's another zone right here. That's another one, guys. So you see what exactly happened around this zone? Try to be a choppy breakout, retest small, this candle, boom, continue to move to the upside. So that's what exactly might happen around this area. Then if it breaks to the upside, no need for you to sell it, just wait for it. But once it breaks to the downside and retest, it will continue to move to the downside around this level. And make sure that you monitor the trade, right? You always monitor your trade. It is very, very important, guys. Somebody's asking us to do Gbp Aud now, since there's no question regarding Gbp Jpy, right? So let's go down and check out Gbp Aud. So yeah, this is Gbp Aud. Oh wow, did I take this trade? Nah, I think I did the analysis and just left it like that. So the market just violates the analysis and things like that. Wow. So yeah, we did not take this trade, man. But this was just a losing trade, but I did not get him. And you see what happened? This was just some sort of market manipulation, guys. See that the market go against it, try to come down, boom. You see all of this move to the upside. This is just some sort of manipulation. And you see that I had my resistance level around this area before the market come up to this zone, right? So now what are you going to do is let me just show you something. I still have my analysis on these guys, that's why I don't want to be stressing myself that much again to continue to do all of this stuff, right? Through this area, right? So since I drew this area, and I would have getting around this zone though if it happens to be that I check this Gbp Aud early, right? Because right here it is what we refer as a tweezer stop. Again, tweezer stop, that's what you are seeing right here on this candlestick. And candlestick pattern, we use some of them as a signal confluences for us at ITT, right? So we use candlestick pattern, market structure, market pattern, and a lot of things. So apart from that, you saw around the next candle again was trying to be bearish. I would have sold this market, but I did not get in and check the market very early, right? So now what I'm going to be expecting on this is that, let me just cancel this so that it will not be distracting you, right? See that the market was kind of ranging between this area, right? So now trying to push back down to the downside, and I will have to just mark this zone out again. Then what I will expect now is that, where's my arrow? I will expect the market to push like this, and the move of which the market has done it. Then now I'll wait for retracement to this point. After I see a retracement to that point, boom, it will now push to the downside. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting this Gbp Aud to do. Are you seeing it now? So from here, wait for it to come up for retracement small, then before it pushes back down to the downside to this zone again. But monitor this trade, guys. The reason why I said that it will come up for retracement, it is because this acted as a support level. And remember, in downtrending market, support act as resistance, support turn to resistance and things like that. This support, it will not turn to resistance around this area. And this move, it is what we refer as a swing low move. So now corrective move will happen before it will not come down. Same thing applies with your Elliott wave, guys. Elliott wave theory. So this is going to be like a to C pattern. 1, 2, and boom, 3. You see that? A, B, C. Simple. So it will now obey this Elliott wave theory, which is ABC pattern, right? That's what I'm seeing on Gbp Aud. Is there any question regarding this, guys? If there is any, let me know before I continue with the analysis. It is very, very important. And also, if today is your first time here, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that we can be connected on all of our social media platforms, guys. It is very, very important. So yeah, ask your question regarding Gbp Aud analysis first before we continue with today's analysis, right? It is very, very important, guys. So I'm waiting if there's any other question regarding this analysis. Okay, I think everybody is satisfied now with the analysis and things like that. So somebody is saying we should check Gbp NZD, please. Okay. Oh, somebody is saying Chf Jpy. Yeah, Chf Jpy. I'm in that trade as well. Let me just show you something on my trade copy accounts, the one I just created for my VIP and premium students, so that they can copy my trade, right? But it's not available for free students yet. But let's see if I'll be able to create one for you guys that are in the free group, right? Because it is very, very important. So yeah, okay. This is Euro USD now, and you guys are seeing where exactly I got in on this, right? All right, let me check something. So this is Euro USD, and you guys see where I got in. This is where I got in for the buy, and right now I'm still in the buy, right? I remember this is a trade copy account, and also I got in on Chf Jpy. This is Chf Jpy right now, but Chf Jpy did not hit my stop loss yet. But I'm seeing that the market, is just acting somehow. Okay, this 1 hour time frame. We go down to maybe 15 minutes. So like I just want to show you something. And also, let me just check out for the Chf Jpy around this area. So this is Chf Jpy right now for our time frame. So now the market is just trying to violate our rule, trying to break out of this. So it's actually making some sort of head and shoulders pattern. I was expecting the market to come up. Let me just do something, guys. So now let me just focus on this level alone. So I'll just put my support and resistance and explain one or two things so that you can understand exactly where I got in on the buy last week and things like that. So you guys are seeing it, right? So this is Chf Jpy. Now the market has broken out of this level, which basically means that it has created another lower low, right? So now I'm just waiting for the market to hit the stop loss because the stop loss is not yet triggered. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. So see what exactly is supposed to happen around this area. The market is supposed to continue to move to the upside from here now to this point to create that range move, right? Or if you come down to 1 hour time frame, you will see that I had so many confirmations. I think this is where I got in before this. So let me show you that this one I refined as a morning star formation, and it was at my key level. Then that's where I executed this trade and bought it last week. Let me just from here to here. You see that? That's what I refer as morning star in the Forex market. So this is what exactly I saw before I execute this trade and get in for the buy to ride it all the way to this point, right? That was my target. But right now, market is just doing somehow. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is where I got in. You see this? This is where I got in. And where is my, okay, this is where I got in for this as well. So those are my entry points of this particular trade, and you guys see that this is where my stop loss is, and it is for 32 pips, right? It is for 30, waiting for the market to come down and hit it and things like that. But right now I'm negative on this trade, negative $12 here and negative $17. I remember this $1,000 account, so I'll lose around $30 or 30 something dollars right here on this particular trade because I risk about 3% of my account on this very trade, right? So now if Chf Jpy is able to continue to push back to the downside, this is where the market is going to be. The market is the market will continue to push to this level before we might see another move to the upside. But keep at the back of your mind that Chf Jpy moves with Euro Jpy as well. They move together, even Euro USD, they move together with all of them. So now, except we are having some sort of manipulation in the market. If there is a manipulation in the market, definitely something might go wrong. Of course, these days, manipulation is going on, man. Manipulation all over, and it's going on. So you guys see that my trend line as well got broken on this Chf Jpy, right? You guys see that trend line got broken. So this was some of the confirmation that I used. So let me just use this replay button so that you can understand why I got in, right? Oh, this was strategy, which you can try it bar replay or whatever. I have to upgrade, man. I think my subscription just got finished, and let me see. Will it allow me to do so? It won't allow me to do so, man. I have to subscribe. All right. I wanted to show you guys to clear all of this candle so that I can just show you why I got in and all of the signal confluences that I have on this particular page being Chf Jpy. Don't worry, I'll just renew this particular accounts and so I can just show you guys, right? Oh, let me go down to my second account. So I think I have some account, man. All right, so let me just read your questions now and comments. Somebody is saying, okay, GBP NZD, all right, please can you send your markup, okay, markup on GBP Jpy on the free group? Okay, all right, yeah, I'll try to send it on the free group as well after I do after I'm done with the analysis and things like that. So somebody is saying GBP pairs moving to the downside now, Nicholas. Now, I'm not saying that all of the GBP pairs are going to move to the downside, but according to the technical analysis, I'm saying that they will come down to the downside for retracement. It's not a long-term move to the downside. Understand what I'm saying, guys? It's just a retracement to the downside because GBP pairs are long-term buy move, right? But this week I'm seeing some sort of a retracement might happen on all of these GBP pairs, right? Not all anymore. You have to just do your technical analysis and compare with your fundamental analysis before sentimental analysis comes into play as well, right? You have to understand all of these concepts, guys, before you can start executing trade on your account and things like that. Understand each and every meaning of what we are saying right here on YouTube or anywhere else. It might not be me, anybody can tell you all of these stuffs in the market, and you have to just compare it with what you are doing so that you can just understand exactly what to do and things like that. So now GBP now VIX 75 place I had lost connection. Yeah, I've done analysis on VIX 75. Maybe when we are done you can still replay the video and watch it because I'm going to upload it right here on YouTube so that you can just watch it again, right? So somebody is saying that Chf Jpy on FXCM is on 117.503. Yeah, all of these, these brokers or these whatever they call them, varies, right? So now right here, yeah, it's just some sort of spread or open and close price, difference. That's just it. So yeah, that's what exactly is going to happen on this, man. So it might push back to the downside right now because you see, according to the technical analysis, it has broken this trend line, and right now retested right here. It give me this particular candlestick pattern, and if you're one of us here or one of my previous students, you understand exactly what I refer as this candlestick. Or let me just tell you, this is what we refer as a gravestone doji. That's a gravestone doji right there. So that's just it, guys, and let me just go down and check out GBP NZD. And like I said, if there's any other question, just let me know. I'm still reading your chart now. Okay, somebody is saying, please, what side can I read news on fundamentals? Yeah, I have a couple of them right here. I have this my FX book. I have Forex Factory. You see all of these things, I pin them on my in my taskbar, right? So now this is forexfactory.com, and we have news for tomorrow. Now we have news for euro, USD, NZD, JPY, and AUD, right? Those are the news that we have for this particular trading day, which is Monday. But I don't pay attention to every news that we are having in the market. There are some certain news that I personally, look out for it, like all these NFP, anything rates, anything that end with rate, like what does it call them now? Let me just give you some example. If I will see them, official cash rate. So you see this one now, this official cash rate, it might move the market, despite the fact that this is a medium impact, but it will move the market. This one as well, red statement, it will also move the market. And also PPI, it will also move the market. Unemployment rate, it will also move the market. And this one is for GBP anyway, it will also move the market. And BOC, yeah, BOC moves the market as well. And okay, not CB now. Unemployment rate, yeah. So those are the some sort of fundamentals that will move the market, and you have to understand exactly. Okay, BOJ, Bank of Japan, it moves the market as well, and this one is even with CPI, to move the market. All of this does move the market, man. So you have to just be checking on all, so that you can understand exactly what is going on in the market. You see all of this as well, there are fundamental news to expect, and all you have to do is just analyze it, understand the economic situation of any particular country. In this case now is JPY, and it is for Japan, right? Understand all of these concepts. You know how it works. So, and of course, I'll not just give you everything like complete knowledge on YouTube. Nah, I'll just trying to help you to be a profitable trader and things like that. Know that I'm mentoring you like one-on-one calls and things like that on YouTube. I'm just helping you on how you can be a profitable trader, and I'm trying my best to do that. So hopefully you do understand all of these stuff, right? Yeah, somebody saying, is VIX 75 going downwards? Yeah, VIX 75, I'm expecting it to push to the downside for now, and I say that it's gonna be for retracement. You see, I'm expecting it to come down to this point. That's why I say that the market will come down to this level before VIX 75 might start to come up again to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing on VIX 75, guys. Okay, somebody's asking me, any discount to join your VIP group? Yeah, there was, but now there's no more, like nothing like discount or whatever. We did a lot of discount this year. We did for Valentine, couple of them. We did all of those discounts, but right now there's no any discounts at the moment. So you have to pay the actual fee, which is $50 per month for VIP, right? For VIP. And okay, let me just go to my website. You'll be able to order everything from here on this website, right? So this is it. This is our website. You'll be able to earn money as well. Refer unlimited members to ITT Forex training for $20 commissions, access to free online group chat. So you have, once you refer a friend, you get $20, and you'll be able to withdraw it to your account. Or you can use it, maybe refer around 15 or 10 people. If you refer 15 people, the fee is $300, and you'll be able to pay for it, right? If it is 15 people, 20 multiplied by 15, that is That's 300, you know, and you'll be able to have access to the website by referring people. You know what I mean? So you know, this is just maybe helping you trying to earn money as well. You know, that's how it is, guys. So it is very, very important. All of this, um, that's just the website, and 101 mentorship will be charging $600 for that. Lifetime mentorship will be charging $1,200 for that, because right now we are just offering you $300 for lifetime mentorship and things like that. So once we release this website officially, it's gonna be $1,200 for that. That's just it, guys. So yeah, my time is up already, but I'm just trying to manage it and things like that. Okay, this is Chf Jpy. So yeah, guys, that's just it. So I think I'll not be able to check this Gbp NZD. So thank you very much for your time, guys. I'm about to sign out now. Have a nice day, and I wish you a very profitable trading week, right? So thank you very much. See you next time.